both of us don't speak very good English, so this is going to be quite interesting. To the hydraulic press channel. Today we have this big book for our press. I choose this book because I don't need it anymore, so I can press it to pieces, or what the hell would happen to book under our press. Is Andy ready?
Yes.
And here we fucking go! And I had full pressure of the press. Humongous rubber band ball. Humongous rubber band ball. Huge rubber band ball. Big rubber band ball. My wife really thinks that the press cannot break the hockey puck, and I am very confident that our press will crush this hockey puck. Feel the wind in your hair, or I don't have any hair. Ferrari or Porsche Boxster, also the engine start button. Air cannon. The hydraulic press channel. Today we have Australia special. Some candy, more candy. Some strange Vegemite stuff. Now the candy. Hernekeitto, eli is it this some kind of pea soap or something?
The another tomato wasn't probably end of the barrel.
I'm going to take one ananas, some ananas rings.
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. Same mistake twice. And now there is those pineapple rings. 30, the 330.
Oh, that Vegemite was terrible, and
We are going to crush it now, and luckily we have these to protect our press, so I'm going to place them here and the Vegemite over there. Let's open the blast shield and have a look. And here, grand finale. What is this in English? Like salt
cucumber.
Yeah, I'm quite sure that this isn't salt cucumber. It isn't made. And now the koalas. And I haven't crushed any large lithium-ion batteries because they get on fire. But now I do, and this one is from Chinese Bakelite, and these are getting fire even without the press, so this is going to be good. Tasty and healthy fruit salad. What the fuck? No explosion. What the fuck? No explosion.
Makita drill battery.
What the fuck?
Yeah, sadly no explosions even if the batteries are completely crushed.
I'm not sure why some batteries explode and others don't. We must deal with it. Slow motion camera. My blast shield fell off. Juicy. You don't need any of that slice and dice it here. Just press.
Remote control system.
More pressure. You can fold aluminium foil. Aluminium foil. So we can continue, and the last fruit of the day is coconut. Very dangerous and nasty looking barrel monster. So the basketball somehow got stuck to the pressing tool. What the fuck? Holy shit!
Yeah, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
And for today's extra content, we have
No smell.
Only smoke.
Yeah, nothing. Ah! What the? It smells like shit. What the fuck? I think. I'm not going there.
For extra content of today, we have spider. My wife said that it's very venomous and dangerous and it may attack at any time, so we must deal with it. This isn't my original language.
Is Andy ready?
Yes.
And here we fucking go.
Ah! Oh, no.